All right, something so small yet so helpful is this shut-off valve here. I have this connected to my water hose because instead of having like a hose gun attached to this here is going to give me all the pressure I need to rinse the boat off, as well as instead of running up and down the dock, I can turn the water on and then control it from here, and it just saves a lot of time. Also, this is great if you're a gardener, you need to switch out, like say sprinklers or watering wand. Having a shut-off valve makes all the difference, and saving time not having to go back to the faucet, turning it on and off before you can use it. So just make sure you get something like this one here, which is like going to be brass. This is going to last you under most conditions compared to plastic ones that I've used in the before. This here makes all the difference, and you can see the pressure is amazing with it.